Hi, welcome all of you on platform of Your PD Education. And Your PD Education is the, I think, only platform which gives very extensive and exhaustive counseling to all of you who have GATE score and even those who do not qualify GATE. So now the season of admissions is going to be on very soon. March, April, May are going to be very, very hectic months in which you are to apply many places, and there are different courses in which you can apply MTech, MS, PhD depending upon your GATE score and your CGPA and your category and your branch. There are core branches, there are interdisciplinary departments, there are different institutes, IIT, NIT, IIIT, IISc, IICRs, and some other reputed institutes like Birla Institute, etc. So I always say that it has to be very strategically made. This entire process is to be made very strategically depending upon your branch, civil engineering, category, ST, OBC, EWS, depending upon your CGPA, let's say 70%, 80%, depending upon your GATE score, let us say 350, 450, 850, depending upon your basically various projects which you have done in the college. So there are many parameters which will decide what can be the best course for you. And for the last couple of years, Team Yourpedia has extensively helped students in this particular direction. So this entire process is very, very meticulous and lot of effort is required, starting from where I should apply, how many places I should apply, which courses I should apply, what are the hidden departments where chances of call are very high, should I go for MS or direct PhD or only MTech, should I apply in interdisciplinary course, will it give me placement or not. So there are many factors, and along with that you need to have your own statement of purpose, the research proposals, letter of recommendation some places, and then interviews are there, written exam is there. So Yourpedia is the expert in all these domains. This year we are going to start extensive post-GATE counseling from 26th Feb, and there are many features, new features in this particular year, so that your selection is made optimum. Depending upon your score or CGP or category and branch, you get the best place for you. And Yourpedia is going to basically help you in all the domains. So helping you to write very good SOP, then applications where you have to apply. So everything will be covered in that. Now I will make extensive video on 26th Feb telling you in detail about how we are to proceed forward and what Yourpedia is going to offer you in this entire thing. Believe me, this counseling entire session next 3 months is going to be very hectic. Mentors are going to help you in each and every domain, and this entire post-GATE counseling is going to be basically paid module. Yes, to some extent mentors of Yourpedia are always helping students free of cost. If you have some queries, then we are always open, we do that. But you will also understand that yes, when the mentor is taking your mock interview, sitting there for half an hour, or he's taking your snap interview or helping you to write your SOP or guiding you day and night, then some cost element is involved. But I can assure you this entire thing is going to be value for your money, that your the fees which will be charged by Yourpedia is going to be very nominal. And if you get selected, if you get the scholarship, that will come with 1/3 of your monthly scholarship itself. So I understand this the entire process is going to be hectic for my mentors also. So this paid counseling is going to be value for money, and this time we are going to take some limited number, and this is not for advertisement. I'm saying this is, I'm telling you in actuality, because the number of students aspiring for this entire counseling is huge. Compared to last year, it is going to be huge this year. So I would request you that on 26th Feb, I'll be announcing this module. And those of you who are interested in this, I will tell detail how we are to proceed forward, and they should go for this in the initial days. So that we meticulously start doing that. So before the first form of IITs start coming and all, you have to make some preparation. I will tell you that detail on 26th Feb. So let's start this season of basically applications and all, and get placed, get career on the basis of our score. All the best, and I meet you on 26th Feb and explain you in detail what we are going to offer you in post-GATE counseling. Thank you.